After introducing Apwide booking at the last Codegeist edition, the Booking Beaver spent a year travelling the world and sharing his love for Forge development. But everything changed after...
I'm actually your long-lost German sister.
Yo, what?
Since understanding the person he loved was actually his sister, the Beaver was desperate and began questioning everything. What's next for him? For years, he'd been a fan of Atlassian Williams racing. He dreamed of being a professional driver. But alas, he was not Carlos Sainz. He was just a beaver. But there was something he could do. Since the application process runs in JSM, he could improve it. Introducing FileField, a Jira app that brings dedicated custom fields for storing attachments in Jira and JSM, powered by the new Forge Object Storage EAP. It stores your files securely within your Jira instance. Let's see it in action. Did you know Formula One driver applications run through JSM? On the portal, 2 required file fields appear. Upload your CV, PDF only. Upload your photo. The Beaver uploads his CV in PDF, and then his best photo. Oops, he tries to upload a 50 megabyte portrait of himself, but Atlassian Williams has set a 1 megabyte limit to avoid overloading their servers. He clicks send, and his request is created instantly. Later today, the recruiting agent opens the Beaver's application. Everything looks correct, except it's been configured so that one more document is required. Security clearance form, PDF only. This field is only visible inside Jira, and only the recruiter can attach it. Let's see if I can transition the ticket without attachment. Ugh, no luck. FileField does not joke about mandatory files. The next morning, the Beaver's phone buzzed. He didn't get the job. Apparently, Atlassian Williams don't hire beavers with 0 racing experience. But that rejection won't discourage him from trying. The next morning, he was on track, training his driving skills. Because even if he couldn't drive for Williams Racing, maybe he could at least achieve his dream of winning Codegeist this year. Let's meet the team behind FileField for Jira.
With more and more customers moving from data center to cloud, the cloud version of FileField has been one of the most requested features over the last few years. So I'm very excited that with the latest Forge capabilities, we are finally able to build it and turn that dream into reality.
What I love about FileField is how broadly applicable it is. Imagine HR, procurement, legal, ITSM, any department running processes that require structured, controlled file handling can benefit from it. It provides a simple yet powerful solution for a wide range of teams.
From a technical perspective, this app really pushes Forge to its limit. Using Forge early access features like object storage and even getting help from a Volvo dev agent made this possible. Looking ahead, we're excited to explore things like usage-based billing.
FileField is very practical, but the way we present it is just as important. That's why I combine a strong product, a clear story, and a bit of fun to show that serious tools don't have to be boring.
The Booking Beaver, that whole story, the Atlassian Williams racing film they let us connect with was really interesting about the Atlassian ecosystem, the community, the creativity, the fun of it. For us, projects like these are always about going that extra mile, about not just building an app, but making something memorable. So huge thanks to Atlassian for giving us yet another opportunity to build projects like this.